So in this last step, what we want to do is show the mini panel block in the context of being on a review page. And we already have a context for that. If you want a little bit of a challenge, go ahead and try to figure out how to do this yourself, but we're going to dive right into doing it now. So I'm going to scroll up to the top and click Structure and Context. And again, we're going to edit the Review Node Pages context. So I'll click Edit, and I'll scroll down, and I'm going to click Blocks because we're going to add our mini panel block. And I'll scroll down until we see the mini panel default right sidebar here under Panels Mini. I'll check it, and then I'm going to add it to sidebar second. And this adds it below the product. We could switch these later on if we wanted to, but our goal right now is to get that mini panel displaying below the product instead of above it. So once we have this, we can go down and click Save. We'll exit out of the overlay. And if we scroll down, we see our mini panel here.